Good day and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2020 Mathematics Past Question 12. An interest rate of 1.5% per month is the same as what rate for 1 year. Now, we have an interest rate of 1.5% per month. That is 1.5% per month. Now we are asked to find the same rate for 1 year. Now in 1 year there are 12 months, so per year it will be 1.5% multiplied by the number of months in a year, which is 12 per year, and then 1.5 multiplied by 12 will give us 18% per year. And the answer to this question is option A, 18%. Thank you, and you should subscribe to the channel for more videos on past questions.